Hezbollah chief killed in Israel strike in Lebanon. Lebanon Hezbollah group confirmed on Saturday that its leader and one of its founders, Hassan Nasrallah, was killed in an Israeli airstrike in Beirut the previous day. The statement said Nasrallah had joined his fellow martyrs Hezbollah vowed to continue the holy war against the enemy and in support of Palestine. Immediately after the official confirmation from Hezbollah, people started firing in the air in Beirut and other areas of the country to mourn Nasrallah's death. Some were protesting that he was killed because of his support